In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 390 by 5 using the long division method. See that 3 is less than 5. That is why we will consider the number 39. We know that 5 times 7 is 35 and it is closer to 39. If we subtract, we get 4. Now see that 4 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 390 divided by 5 is equal to 78. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.